Hey guys and dolls, and welcome into another video. My name is Jason, and today we are going to be talking about ticker symbol NNDM for Nano Dimensions. Now, Nano Dimensions does have some really exciting news that has just come out, so we are going to go through the full article here on Seeking Alpha in just a second. But if you are new, I just want to welcome you first into the channel. My name is Jason. I make videos on the stock market every day. Be sure to hit that like button if you find value at any point, and hit that big red subscribe button and join this family of investors. We are on our way to 5k guys, and I absolutely love having all of your support on this channel. We have been absolutely smashing it even through this market correction. We are doing really well on a lot of our plays. Some of our plays in the last week alone are up over 75%, and you guys know that NNDM is in my second highest holdings. I am a Nano Dimensions bull, and I do make a lot of videos on them every week. I do weekly updates. So guys, today we can see that on Seeking Alpha we do have this brand new article that has come out. So I'm going to attempt to say this mouthful here for you guys. Nano Dimensions' first ever additively manufactured electronic AME monolithic RM communication circuit has been sent to International Space Station ISS flight studies. So this is some really breaking news for NNDM guys, and if I go onto the charts really, you can see that today we are sitting up over 7% as markets did close, and we did have a big push up from about $9.50 all the way up to $11 before the markets closed today. And again, I do believe that this was due to this news. So it says here guys that Nano Dimensions today announced that its first ever integrated RF circuit fabrication was actually flown up into International Space Station ISS. This project was 2 years in the making, wow, and was selected by the ISS US National Laboratory for Space Effects Studies. The project will provide a systematic analysis of additively manufactured single boards for radio frequency RF space systems, especially for nanosatellites, and will communicate with a ground-based satellite tracking system at Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, Daytona Beach, Florida. The primary purpose of the project is to demonstrate the viability of using new technologies such as multi-level, multi-material AMEs, which use 3D inkjet printer based technologies to produce monolithium RF communication systems for use in space. So guys, this is really exciting news, and that's why we have seen a big push up. I'm not going to go through the full article. I will link it if you do want to see it guys. I will actually link it below in the description, so be sure to check it out if you are a Nano Dimensions shareholder and you want more information on this breakdown. But what I do want to bring to your attention guys is that our very own girl CATHIE Wood, our star queen, as you guys know, absolutely love her, is so bullish on space, and as the costs are coming down dramatically, she is expecting some nice returns, and so she has designed a SpaceX ETF. And you guys know on my channel I have been talking about the types of trades that she is going to be setting up and the ETFs that she's going to be including inside her new SpaceX ETF, which hopefully will be announced at some point either this week or next week. Again, it could happen any time in March, so again, it could be up to 2 weeks, but we will have a new announcement very soon about the companies going in. Now, what I wanted to point out to you guys is the fact that CATHIE Wood is banking on some particular stocks inside her SpaceX ETF, and some of the companies guys that she is looking for to fill into her ARC-X ETF is enabling technologies companies. So these are companies that create technologies that add value to aerospace operations, including artificial intelligence, robotics, and 3D printing. And we know guys, cha-ching that NNDM is a 3D printer. So I'm very happy that she has actually put this, and I do believe that I really do think that she's going to be adding NNDM guys into this SpaceX ETF. I wouldn't be surprised if she doesn't add it, especially seeing as we have just had the launch of this brand new news on this article right now. And again, this was on Seeking Alpha that I did actually come across this today. So that is some breaking news there for NNDM. And if we go on the share price guys, you can see that we have had that lovely push up today in the share price, and we are now sitting at $11. So I do think that we will continue a bull trend moving forward. The Fed did come out and give some talk guys. There was a lot of positive news that did come out, and I really don't think that interest rates are going to be rising for about 2 years. So again, I think the market will go into a bull side. It's just going to take some time. Obviously, as I've said, the volatility that we have seen in the market is due to the 1.6 bond and treasury yields right now that are having some problems, and they're headbutting with the market. But once that does settle down guys, in time it will do, then again we will expect to see a new bull run, and that's when we are going to start to retest those highs of about $14, and again we can then start to retest those highs of $17 on NNDM. If you have not established established your position yet in NNDM, then what I would be looking to do, and this is not financial advice, this is just for education and entertainment only, but I'd be waiting for any breakdown to test back onto that 21 EMA. So guys, I'm on the 4-hour chart. You can use the 21 EMA as confirmation, which is that yellow line that I am drawing on now. And what you want to do is you want to wait for the chart to actually drop onto the 21 EMA. So if this actually extended out, we did have a pull up and this came back and tested onto it, then that is when I would start to deploy money in for my capital. And any dips that we had in that share price, again, if we did touch down onto that 50 on the SMA, guys, then that is when I'd be looking in. And again, if we are starting to get on oversold levels on the RSI, that is another place that I'd be looking to get in. And the last place that I'd be looking to get in is, again, if we drop down to $10 and below, because we do have strong support here, guys, at $10 and just below that. And again, at $7.99, you can see I have drawn another support here. But right now, I do think that we are going to see some volatility, and we are going to see those highs very, very soon of $12.50. And I will expect some consolidation in this area before we either break through that resistance or we do, in fact, go into bear territory. But I don't think we will. I think this is going to be a very good catalyst that will keep NNDM flying up in price. So again, that is my bull thesis for you guys on NNDM. And it is worth noting that I do have a price target on NNDM for the end of the year of anywhere above $30. If you did make it this far, guys, I just want to say thank you. Hit that big like button for me and hit that big red subscribe button. I would love to have you as part of this family. I am starting a Patreon, and again, that should be out by the end of the week, so stay tuned and keep your eyes out for that, because I will have an early bird gets the worm special with 45% discount for the price of a coffee. You will be able to get my buy and sell alert signals. My name is Jason. I hope that you guys have a fantastic week ahead in the markets. Stay safe, stay green, and stay positive, as I always say, and I will see you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. Ciao.